Hi, it's Jenya Holder here, and I would like to show you how to set up a Linktree account for your Instagram bio. Now, if you go to your Instagram account, as you'll notice under your bio, you are allowed one link, and if that link takes you back to your website, then you're limited. If you are promoting a book, an event, a particular service, then you would have to tell people to, tool around on your website, or you can only put one link at a time. So what Linktree does is it allows you to have more than one link that you're going to send someone to. So I'm going to show you exactly how that works. Okay, so I'm going to go to Linktree. I'm going to put the link in the description underneath, and you're just going to go to their register page and sign up for your Linktree account. You can sign up with Instagram, or you could sign up with an email. Do that ahead of time and then come back. So for myself, I'm already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. With my Instagram. Okay. So once you go in, one of the things you'll be able to do is go into your settings and upload your picture. For me, I think it's time for me to upload a new picture, which I'll do later on. Okay. Okay, after you've uploaded your new avatar, another thing you could do is change the theme and the appearance of your account. So it's a little bit more branded. So if you want to make it green, if you notice on the right, it changes. That's the Instagram color, whatever you like. And then custom themes, if you happen to set up for the pro account, you can go ahead and do, they'll give you more options. And just so you could see here for pro, it's $6 a month. So it just tells you all the other things that's included. So if that's what you want to add, go ahead and do that. For now, what I need, this is just fine for me. So like I said, you can go in and change your settings. Let me go back to my, let's see what I had there. I guess I'll do green. I'm a blue girl, so I'm going to keep it blue. And you'll see on the bottom if you want to do something about sensitive material. And it's going to show you on the right-hand side here exactly what it's going to look like on someone's mobile phone. Okay? And then you're going to go into links and add the links that you want. So for me, I want people to sign up for a strategy session. I want them to download a free checklist and possibly sign up for one of my clarity sessions. And I might want them to visit my website, in your case, a blog. So all you're going to do is this. You're going to do add link, and you're going to put a title in there. So you might say visit my blog. Okay, that's at the top. And then you go and put your URL, and notice you have to have the HTTP there first. Okay. And it's telling me I'm probably limited there. And then you just hit enter. And here, if you notice on the right side, it says visit my blog. Okay, so this is a way for you to have more than one call to action for your visitors to your bio, and you're not limited to the website. Now, to one website. Here's another thing you could do is you can move things around. So let's say I wanted someone to visit my website. I could do that. If I was promoting my checklist, I could move that up here. So you can move them around if you'd like. You can also turn them off. So at this point, let's say I don't want people to, I have two worksheets. So maybe I want them to not get the worksheet and visit my website. So however it is, you can turn it off. It also gives you a couple of little analytics there that you can look at, but for the most part, that's it. And so what you do is then you take your the link, because it'll ask you to create your own URL, and it'll allow you to copy your link, which I just did. And then I go back into my Instagram. I go into edit my profile, and then where it says website, I now put Linktree. Submit. And go back to my account, and there it is. And now that takes me to my Linktree account. All right, so once again, this is Jenya Holder from jenyaholder.com. If you want to go ahead and set this up, I will put the link to sign up in the comments or in the description beneath. And don't forget to visit my website, www.jenyaholder.com, or on Instagram, instagram.com/jenyaholder.